Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to add color swatches in the Shopify Horizon theme. This is a great way to display product variants visually and improve the shopping experience for your customers. Let's get started. On the Shopify dashboard, we are using the Horizon theme, and we want to add color swatches to our store. First, we need to add a product. We can find products on the left side of the dashboard. Once we are here, we just need to click Add Product. In the product name field, let's type oversized shirt. Now, let's start scrolling down to the variants section. Here, we can type oversized shirt. Next, we can add variant values like black, blue, red, and dirty white, and then click Done. Our variants are now listed. We can now start uploading photos. Let's upload an image for each variant. We can add files here. Let's wait for the upload to finish, then choose the black variant and select the black option. For blue, we just need to choose the blue option, and for red, select the red one. For dirty white, let's upload the dirty white image. Then click Done. Once we are finished, we just need to save our changes. Let's wait for that to complete, then go to the online store. Now let's select the Horizon theme and click Edit Theme. Once we are in the theme editor, we need to click the home page and go to our products. Then we click the default product template. This is the product we just created. Now we just need to click on the product and enable the swatches. Then we can choose whether we want the selection to appear as a button or a drop-down. As we can see, it is set to drop down, and when we select red, the color swatch changes. That is how we add color swatches in the Shopify Horizon theme. With this simple setup, we can create a more interactive and user-friendly shopping experience.